In this workshop, I want to quickly talk you through how the WordPress upgrade process works. You log in the usual way in your backend, and WordPress will tell you in various places that there is an upgrade available. That's the yellow bar at the top here. It will always tell you what version you're running in the desktop, in the dashboard from the Right Now box here. It'll also tell you at the bottom that there is a new version available. The easiest thing to do is to go under Dashboard. If you open that little triangle here, you click on Updates, and it will tell you all the things that can be upgraded. So in this case, it says an updated version of WordPress is available, which is also known as the WordPress Core. So you can update that, but it's also found a couple of plugins that have newer versions available on the repositories. So you can update those. And then further down on the page, you have themes that may have an upgrade available. Let me start with this one while we're at it. You can update one theme at a time, or you can update several themes. Just select all in that case and go update themes, and the update process just takes a couple of minutes. So what WordPress is doing in the background is downloading the zip file, unzipping it on the server, removing the old version, putting the new version on. Easy peasy. You can go back to the updates here, and all our themes are now up to date. See, all the themes are up to date. The same goes for plugins. Now for the WordPress Core, it's a little bit more complex, but literally easy. You just go update automatically, and all that happens is the same thing. WordPress downloads the zip from WordPress.org, unpacks it, then installs it, overinstalls the old version, upgrades the database if that's applicable, and a couple of minutes later, we're all good to go again. Go back to updates, and you can see that you are running the latest version of WordPress. Congratulations. The only thing to keep in mind is that sometimes if you've made an amendment to a theme and you update this automatically, you may run into problems because all your customizations of that theme may have gone. By customizations, I don't mean things like widgets that you've populated your sidebar with. That'll stay exactly the same, but what I'm talking about is code amendments. If you've gone into the editor and you've made significant changes to your theme, then those changes will be wiped out if you don't back up your theme beforehand. So let's have a look at how this works with several plugins at a time. So we go select them all, go to update plugins, and there we go. WordPress does this one by one plugin at a time. If you're not so lucky and this doesn't work, you may run into problems that WordPress comes up with an error message. That's unfortunately a host issue. So if you're hosting with me at wpguru.co.uk, you won't have these issues. But some hosts may choose to restrict access in a way. Same goes if you've installed WordPress manually via FTP, you will be asked for your FTP host and username and password details, which is not a biggie. You just pop that in and off you go. And that is how you upgrade WordPress.